Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. The whole verse is Radha Karavachita Palava Valarike Radha Padanka Vilasan Madhurastalike Radha Yashomukara Matta Kagaga Alike Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. This last line is very nice. Radha Vihar, like Brajavihari. Vipane means the forest. Ramatam means enjoyment to the highest extent. Ramatam. Manome. So this is a prayer to his mind. Mano. Manome means my mind. Almost sounds like English. My mind. Manome. He's saying mind, you should meditate on these things. Meditate on the feet of Radharani. Meditate on the hands of Radharani. Doing what? Touching the creepers and the flower buds of these udipan, these supporters and excitants of Leela. And meditate on Radharani's feet. Alright, she has a chinna. She has 19 chinna, 19 marks on her feet. You can meditate on those. But no, meditate on these feet. Alright, they're distinguished by those beautiful marks on her bottom of her feet, part of her actual transcendental form. But he wants you to, he's directing his mind, meditate on Radharani's feet, doing what? Dancing, skipping, running, playing, picking flowers. Padanka vilasan madhurastalike. The Radharani's pada, her feet, are having vilas, pastimes in the madhura stalika. Stalike. He has to make the rhyme. Stali, Govinda Stali, Rasa Stali, Chulan Stali. Stali means a place, like stan. This is my stan, my place. So meditate on Radharani's feet, walking in Vrindavan, walking in and dancing in the Rasa Lila. Just meditating on Radharani's feet, and you take a place like Sevakunj and Radharani or Nidhiban. Oh, I'm walking here and I'm walking around. Oh, and I see the ground below me, and I think, oh, Radha Padanka Vilasan Madhurastalike. That Radharani, she's come to this place, and she's coming to this place when they have rasa dance there, and she's sleeping here at night in Nidhivan, and this beautiful van, and this Nidhi means treasure, unlimited treasure, and ras, ocean. So she's sleeping here, and her feet are moving all through this place. So then the monkeys coming here and there, you don't understand what they're doing. You have a stick, so they leave you alone. You walk with a stick, and then your mind can be absorbed in this. So this is what he's telling. This is a verse about fixing the mind. So the first couple of days we want to discuss about Vrindavan. Of course, we're starting immediately with the glories of Radharani, because the class is called Sri Radha and her Manjaris.